Welcome to Peru, you lot. Get ready to ditch those soggy fish and chips and dive into a culinary adventure that'll blow your bloody minds. We're about to take a deep dive into the heart of Peruvian cuisine, exploring the vibrant streets and uncovering the secrets behind their most iconic dishes. So buckle up, you donkeys, and get ready for a wild ride through the flavors of Peru. And don't forget to like and subscribe, or you'll be back in the breakfast shift for a month. Right, you Muppets, listen up. First up, we've got ceviche. Now, this isn't some sad, soggy salad drowning in mayo. This is a flavor explosion waiting to happen. Imagine the freshest, most delicate fish you've ever tasted, cooked to perfection in a vibrant citrus marinade. The acidity of the lime juice gently cures the fish, giving it a texture that's both firm and tender. And don't even get me started on the leche de tigre, the leftover marinade. It's like liquid gold, packed with spicy ají amarillo peppers, tangy lime, and the delicate flavor of the fish. One sip and you'll be hooked. Next up, we're diving into a dish that's a testament to Peru's rich culinary history, lomo saltado. This dish is a vibrant representation of the country's diverse cultural influences, blending flavors and techniques from different parts of the world into one harmonious plate. This isn't your average greasy takeaway stir-fry, no siree. Lomo saltado is a culinary masterpiece that brings together the best of both worlds. It's a dish that tells a story with every bite, a story of migration, adaptation, and innovation. This is a fiery fusion of Chinese wok skills and Peruvian ingredients that'll have you begging for more. The Chinese influence is evident in the use of the wok and soy sauce, while the Peruvian touch comes through in the choice of ingredients and the unique flavor profile. Picture this: tender strips of beef, marinated to perfection, seared in a screaming hot wok with juicy tomatoes, red onions, and a touch of soy sauce. The beef is succulent and flavorful. The tomatoes add a burst of freshness, and the red onions provide a subtle sweetness that balances the dish perfectly. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. As the ingredients sizzle and dance in the wok, the air is filled with a tantalizing mix of savory and sweet scents that draw you in and make you eager to take that first bite. And the best part? It's all served up with a generous portion of fluffy white rice and crispy French fries. The rice soaks up all the delicious juices from the stir-fry, while the fries add a satisfying crunch that complements the tender beef and vegetables. Yes, you heard me right, French fries. This unexpected addition is a nod to the Peruvian love for potatoes, and it adds a delightful twist to the dish that makes it even more irresistible. Don't knock it till you've tried it. You won't be disappointed. Lomo saltado is more than just a meal. It's an experience that captures the essence of Peruvian cuisine and leaves a lasting impression on your taste buds. So next time you come across this dish, give it a try and let it take you on a culinary journey you won't forget. Now let's talk comfort food. You know, those dishes that make you feel all warm and fuzzy inside, like a cozy blanket on a cold day. Comfort food is more than just a meal. It's an experience, a journey back to simpler times, and a reminder of home. It's the kind of food that brings people together, creating memories that last a lifetime. Ají de gallina, my friends, is like a warm hug on a plate. This traditional Peruvian dish is a perfect example of comfort food at its finest. It's a dish that has been passed down through generations, each family adding their own special touch to make it unique. This creamy, spicy chicken stew is a staple in Peruvian homes, and for good reason. It's a dish that brings families together, whether it's for a special occasion or just a regular weeknight dinner. The rich, velvety sauce and tender chicken make it a dish that everyone loves. It's the kind of dish that sticks to your ribs and warms you from the inside out. Imagine coming home after a long day and being greeted by the comforting aroma of ají de gallina simmering on the stove. It's like a little piece of heaven right in your kitchen. We start with shredded chicken, simmered in a velvety sauce made with, you guessed it, ají amarillo peppers, walnuts, and a touch of milk or cream. These ingredients come together to create a sauce that's both rich and flavorful, with just the right amount of heat from the peppers. It's rich, it's flavorful, and it's absolutely divine. The combination of the creamy sauce and the tender chicken is simply irresistible. Each bite is a burst of flavor that will leave you wanting more. Traditionally, it's served with boiled potatoes and a sprinkle of hard-boiled eggs, which add a nice contrast to the creamy sauce. The potatoes soak up all that delicious sauce, making each bite even more satisfying. Because why not add some extra protein to the party? The hard-boiled eggs not only add a pop of color to the dish, but also an extra layer of texture and flavor. Trust me, one bite of this and you'll be in food coma heaven. It's the kind of meal that leaves you feeling completely satisfied and content, ready to take on whatever the day throws at you. So next time you're in need of some comfort food, give ají de gallina a try. You won't be disappointed. Chapter 4. Anticuchos, don't be scared, it's delicious. Alright, you lot, time to face your fears. Anticuchos, marinated beef heart skewers, are a Peruvian street food institution. Now I know what you're thinking. Beef heart? You've got to be kidding. But trust me on this one. When marinated properly with vinegar, spices, and a touch of ají panca, a smoky, fruity pepper beef heart becomes incredibly tender and flavorful. Grilled over charcoal until slightly charred and smoky, these skewers are an absolute flavor bomb. Don't let the fear factor put you off. This is one street food experience you won't want to miss. Chapter 5. Papa a la huancaina, a potato dish, fit for a king. Let's be honest, who doesn't love potatoes? And in Peru, they've elevated the humble spud to an art form. Papa a la huancaina is a prime example. This dish features boiled potatoes smothered in a creamy, cheesy sauce that'll have you licking the plate clean. The sauce, made with fresh white cheese, ají amarillo peppers, milk, and oil, is blended to a smooth, velvety perfection. It's poured over the potatoes and typically garnished with hard-boiled eggs, olives, and lettuce. It's a simple dish, but oh so satisfying. Chapter 6. Rocoto relleno, stuffed peppers with a kick. Now, for those of you who like a bit of fire in their belly, let me introduce you to rocoto relleno. This traditional Peruvian dish is not for the faint-hearted. It's a culinary adventure that will take your taste buds on a thrilling ride. These aren't your average stuffed peppers, oh no. Rocoto relleno is made from the rocoto pepper, which is significantly spicier than the bell peppers you might be used to. We're talking about fiery rocoto peppers, known for their intense heat and vibrant red color. These peppers are a staple in Peruvian cuisine and are cherished for their unique flavor and kick. Stuffed to the brim with a savory mixture of ground beef, which is cooked to perfection with a blend of aromatic onions, raisins, olives, and a medley of spices that add depth and complexity to the dish. Each ingredient is carefully selected to complement the heat of the rocoto pepper. Then, they're topped with a generous layer of melted cheese and baked to perfection. The cheese not only adds a creamy texture but also helps to balance the spiciness of the peppers. The combination of the spicy pepper, the savory filling, and the melted cheese is an absolute flavor explosion. Each bite offers a perfect harmony of heat, savory goodness, and creamy richness. It's a dish that will leave you craving more, despite the heat. The flavors meld together beautifully, creating a memorable culinary experience. Just be sure to have a glass of milk handy, as the spiciness can be quite intense. Milk is known to help neutralize the heat, making it a perfect companion for this dish. Because these bad boys pack some heat. So, if you're up for a spicy adventure, give rocoto relleno a try. It's a dish that promises to excite your palate and leave you with a lasting impression. Alright, let's talk chicken. Pollo a la brasa, Peruvian rotisserie chicken, is in a league of its own. Forget your dry, flavorless birds, this is the real deal. Marinated for hours in a blend of spices, garlic, soy sauce, and a touch of Peruvian beer, the chicken is slow-cooked on a rotisserie until the skin is crispy and golden brown. The result? The most succulent, flavorful chicken you'll ever sink your teeth into. Served with a side of fries, salad, and ají verde, a spicy green sauce. It's a feast fit for a king. Causa rellena is a dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious. This layered potato dish is a true work of art, with vibrant colors and a symphony of flavors. Imagine this: a base of mashed potatoes, seasoned with lime juice and ají amarillo peppers, layered with fillings like tuna salad, chicken salad, or avocado. It's then topped with another layer of potatoes and decorated with hard-boiled eggs, olives, and sometimes even seafood. It's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Now, for those of you with a sweet tooth, let me introduce you to picarones. These aren't your average donuts. Oh no. Made with a blend of squash and sweet potato, these crispy treats are fried to golden perfection and drizzled with a generous amount of chancaca syrup, a sweet, molasses-like sauce. The combination of the crispy exterior, the soft, chewy interior, and the sweet, sticky syrup is absolutely divine. It's the perfect way to end your Peruvian culinary adventure on a sweet note. And finally, no Peruvian food journey would be complete without a refreshing glass of chicha morada. This vibrant purple drink, made from boiled purple corn, is a staple in Peru. It's naturally sweet, slightly tangy, and incredibly refreshing. Often flavored with cinnamon, cloves, and pineapple, it's the perfect thirst quencher on a hot day. And the best part? It's packed with antioxidants and other health benefits. So drink up and enjoy. So there you have it, you lot. A whirlwind tour of Peru's most delicious dishes, from the tangy ceviche to the hearty lomo saltado, the creamy ají de gallina to the sweet picarones. Peruvian cuisine is a flavor explosion waiting to be discovered. Now, if you've enjoyed this culinary adventure as much as I have, then do me a favor and smash that like button like your life depends on it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more food adventures from around the globe. Until next time, stay hungry.